welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Well, I have a challenge for you. It is a 24 hours challenge. Now, I just did this challenge years ago, and I used to do this challenge at least once every 2 weeks. And I kind of fall off the bandwagon, but now that I am back in the gym, I am back to getting my body back, to what it used to be, trying to shed a few pounds, like a lot of pounds, at least 30 pounds. I'm trying to shed. And so I'm back into, going to those old remedies that I shared. And what I want to share with you today is the 9 glass challenge. What do I mean by 9 glass? I mean that you are going to have 9 different glass of a drink that you do over the course of 24 hours. Now, does this work? Like a charm. Flatten the stomach in 24 hours. Seem unheard of, but you got to make up your mind to do this, okay? You got to make up your mind to do this. This is not something that you just say, okay, I'm going to do it, and then you just run and you do it, because it is a challenge. It's a challenge. Life for me is a little easier because I'm not the type of person that eat pretty early or anything like that. But you're gonna be drinking. You're gonna be drinking carrot juice. You're gonna be having green tea. You are gonna be having a fruit juice. So when it comes, if you're like a person that like to drink, then you're gonna enjoy this challenge. But it's gonna be for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, then you can, slowly go back to what you were doing before, like eating healthy and all of that. And the thing about this challenge also is that you drink water right throughout this challenge. So it's really flushing the system out. And I could talk more things that it do for your body, but as usual, some things we have to get like a medical doctor. So if you're interested in this video, if you're interested in the recipe, I'm also going to put the link by hours exactly what you need to take, so it's more easy for you. So what are you waiting for? Continue watching the video for the full detailed recipe.
Let's go through all that you're going to need for your challenge. You're going to need some green tea, and I'm going to be using tea bags. For this challenge, you need about 3 to 6 of these. You're also going to need some fresh lemon. If you do not have lemons, you can use limes. You're also going to need some carrots. And take a look at these. These are what you're going to be using to make your carrot drink. Next, you're going to need some oranges or tangerine. You're also going to need some ginger. Ginger is great for circulation. We'll talk more about that later on. And you're also going to need some hot water for this challenge. So throughout the challenge, you're going to be using all these ingredients. So we're going to tell you how much and the amount as we go along. So all of these are what you're going to use for the 24 hours. No additional food. This is it. This is your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. Definitely you're gonna have some more carrots, but this is it. If you are ready, guys, if you're willing to flush the system out, to flatten that stomach in 24 hours, guys, then gather all of these ingredients, because you're going to be using them in several different ways. Now, let me show you our 9 glasses. And if you're at home and you have one, that's fine, because you're just going to wash it out and reuse it. In order to make this video not too lengthy, we're going to start by our first glass, hour by hour. So at 8 a.m. upon arising in the morning, you're going to have your first glass. This is going to be warm lemon water. Now, if you wake up earlier, you can start from 6, just do the adjustment. So how to make your warm lemon water? You're just going to take some hot water, pour it in your glass or your teacup, that is. And for this time, we're using only a half of a medium lemon. You're going to remove the seed. So you're just going to cut and squeeze the lemon juice into the hot water. Lemon aid in digestion and detoxification. It promotes weight loss, boosts energy and mood, and also enhance immunity. Having a glass of hot lemon water in the mornings also help to control your appetite throughout the day. So now let's move on to glass number 2. About an hour later, 9 a.m., we're moving on to glass number 2, which is going to be orange or tangerine juice. And you're going to use a medium orange and you're going to extract the juice. I do not recommend box orange juice for this. A reduced calorie diet that includes orange juice contribute to weight loss and improve your metabolic. Orange juice improves lipid and insulin sensitivity and also excrete anti-inflammatory activities. Now we're gonna move on to glass number 3, which is gonna be 3 hours later. So rest assured, drink water throughout the 3 hours. And now let's move on to number 3 at noon. This is gonna be green tea, and once again, this is gonna be hot tea. Now go ahead and grab your tea bag. One tea bag is all you need with about 6 to 8 ounces of water. You can actually brew this ahead of time. Consuming antioxidant found in green tea help promote metabolic health and aid in weight loss. So you're gonna be drinking this, and here's a little tip. If you want to drink more than the 6 to 8 ounces of green tea, go ahead and double up on it. You can sip it throughout the day also. So next we're moving on from noon. We are gonna wait another hour and then you're gonna go and get the highlight of the day, which is gonna be carrot juice. This is what you're gonna be looking forward to, because you can choose to have the carrot juice warm or you can choose to have it cold. So you're gonna take about 2 medium carrots and make this juice ahead of time. So go ahead, get about 6 carrots or so and juice them and put them away, so when you're ready for it you could just go and pour. So you're gonna use 1 glass, 6 to 8 ounces. You're adding no form of a sugar to this, and you're just gonna drink this hot or cold. I like to drink it cold as a refresher. You could put a lot of ice in it. Just do what you want to do with this carrot juice. It's lunch, really. Once that is done, we're gonna move on to glass number 5, which is gonna be about 2 hours away. So make sure to enjoy your carrot juice. Here's a little tip. You can also choose to munch on a few bits of the carrots. Now at 3 p.m. we're gonna be having our next tea, and this is gonna be another green tea. You already know how to prepare the green tea, so go ahead and brew your 6 to 8 ounces of green tea, and no sugar, nothing at all, just the pure tea, and you're gonna sip on this. Now going on to 5 p.m. Juice of your choice. This is dinner, guys. This is dinner. This is juice of your choice. You can add carrot, you can add some spinach to it, you can add some orange to it, tangerine. Just keep it in line. No sugar. Guess what? You can even add some beetroot to this. This is a juice of your choice. It's almost like you're having a smoothie. So don't sit in this juice. I like to put a little spinach. I like to put a little it is and a little that. So don't sit in this, guys. Make it your own. All right. So after that, then we are gonna move on to our next glass. Now, after going all out for your juice of choice, we're simmering back down to green tea, and this is gonna be about 8 p.m. Now, remember that green tea have a caffeine, which is still gonna help you to boost that metabolism. Okay, so 1 tea bag is what we're using, and we're doing this hot. However, if you choose to do it cold, go ahead and do it cold. So choose your option, hot or cold. I personally goes for hot, 8 to 6 ounces. Now moving on to 9 p.m. It's almost bedtime, guys, and we're almost done with this. Look what we're going to be doing. We're going to be having ginger tea or ginger water. What do I mean by that? You can do this hot or cold, and you're going to take that ginger And all you're using from this is the ginger juice. So go ahead, grate it, blend it, however you need to do to extract that ginger. And how much do you need? We're trying to get about a teaspoon of the ginger. So just use your discretion with this. Ginger is an appetite suppression, immune system booster, and have anti-cancer properties. It is particularly well known for it is digestive properties. So I'm going to be grating mine. Go ahead, grate or grind or juice, but make sure you get that ginger in. And I am going to just pour some hot water over my ginger. I like to sip this hot, so choose hot or cold. And you can have at least 2 to 3 glasses of this if you so choose. I am gonna do 2 glasses. I just sip on it, so I'm doing about 16 ounces of this. But if you do at least 6 to 8 ounces, that is just fine. So this you're gonna keep in your system until glass number 9. And glass number 9 is just the way you start. Just before you go to bed, you're going to go back for your warm lemon water, and you're going to take this just before bed, and that would complete your 9 glasses. Now, upon the horizon the next day, you can choose to just do the first morning with just the lemon water. Now, guys, you're gonna be pooing, you're gonna be peeing, you're gonna be going to the bathroom a lot, but you're flushing the system out, you're cleaning the guts out, and you're flattening that stomach. Well worth it. And this is a good way to pre-start any diet that you have. It's just a drinking juice for the day. However, remember, you have that dinner juice that you can just make it a full meal. So it's not like you're going to be starving. And these are going to just rev that metabolism up. And this is going to keep you feeling full while just peeing and pooping. Let me know, guys.
And there you have it. That's it. 9 glasses of juice, tea, water, you name it. Go ahead and give it a try. Or I'm going to challenge you all, if there's anyone out there, or if a couple of you, like a bunch of you, is interested in this recipe and doing the challenge together, then just send me an email. I'll get about 20, 30 of us, and we could do the challenge on the same day. We'll have a little chat thing where we can go on to see how we're doing throughout the day, and so on and so forth. So if you want to be a part of that, just send me an email at chichibeauty@gmail.com. I'll put the link right here. It's a challenge, and if you start and you don't finish, at least you do half of it, or it's what it's called life. And this year we're lifing, so send me that email. So if you have not watched all of my videos on weight loss, go ahead, look at my playlist. On my page right here, and you'll see a playlist where I have some amazing drink for weight loss. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you're, and don't forget, we have our own skincare line. So if you're interested in that, go visit my store, ALESMAXii.com, where you can find a variety of amazing skincare products for your skin. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.